All right. It is September the 12th, 2024. This is NASDAQ 100, the futures, September contract, 2024. And I just want to go over, like I said, I was going to start getting into doing little short examples of the strategy. And today we had a good one today. So let me go over and recap here. On started on I'm on the 15-minute here. This line here, this vertical line here, we do have a um, divider for me from yesterday, which was Wednesday 9/11, and dividing it from September 12th, which is Thursday today. So I'm gonna delete some of this annotation, at least this annotation, which it really didn't concern. That's something else I'm gonna probably throw in as a gem, something that helped me be more confident in my trades. As I was saying, the more confirmations, the more. But you don't need it at this point. Um, so what I had saw here today is, remember, going into a new day. Times that I am trading, especially for index, is 8:30 to 11:30 the most. Uh, I've been seeing all the trades, but today we had news here at 8:30. We had PPI, unemployment claims. See right here on the left hand corner, Thursday, September 12th. This is Forex Factory, but you can use any of the other sources, but this is the source that I use to see any impact. This kind of lets me know volatility in the market we have here. So again, I do have my little notes here that I have put up. I got all this on a 5 minute. So what I said, we swept, wow, swept out yesterday. I mean, you get it. We swept yesterday afternoon session. I have that highlighted right here, which was from anybody, if you remember, go back to the video again. This is key. Um, the PM session is from 1:30 to 4 p.m. All right. So as you can see here, and also down here to your right, see here, I want you guys to, every time I'm referring to time, it's going to be New York Eastern time. So make sure it's on New York time. All right. So again, 1:30 to 4 p.m. That's our PM session. That's another key time for looking at the lows and see what they do, reversals. So again, we swept here. You're not trading. You're not trading until we get to 8:30. And again, we had 8:30 news. So I wait for 8:30 news to come out before I even trade. So I dropped down to 5 minute. As you see, I saw a 5 minute market structure shift. What I tell you guys here. Okay, and that is here. Um, uh, 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 oh, hold up. There we go. And we had a market structure shift right here. Let me zoom in for you guys real quick. We had a market structure shift right there, but it didn't leave nothing. You see how here, that was a low, and there's another low, but it didn't really flesh. It didn't really create a displacement like here. This is a strong down candle displacement, meaning a strong down candle. Like you jump in the pool, big old splash. This is a big candle. This was a This is a Maybe I want to go down, or maybe I still want to go up. So we wait, and then again, this is 15 minutes before the news about to come out. So just wait for 8:30. Okay. All right. So that's something here to also note there. So again, market structure shift. Uh, uh, And you can put it on this one, but then again, we had a new high here, which actually took out this. So actually, you could just do this, okay? And this whole line right here, again, this dotted line is the PM. So it was above the PM session, not PM session, PM high, you know, and we came down very strongly, and we created a fair value gap, an imbalance. Okay, and it even gave us the key levels of the fib. Y'all remember the fib? From the swing high to the swing low. Got your key fib level from the 0.618 up until the 0.79. That's key fib retracement levels on the Fibonacci tool. Okay, and your Fibonacci tool is right here. These lines here, fib retracement, Fibonacci tool. So you have both. You know what I'm saying? I took the low hanging fruit as we got right here because I'm just trying to get in my trade, get in. So I took my low hanging fruit here, bam, right there, set my stop loss here. Especially when you got this big old gap. I mean, you can split your stop loss up here for safety. That's a big old risk though. So I had it here. Anytime it's like a big candle like this and a big gap like this right here, I'm putting my stop loss here. You know, and just manage your risk. That's all up to you. And as we can easily see, we took it out. We took it out right at 930 level. Bam. 930 is another thing that's opening bell. So a lot of the stock market open. So price get wicked, you know, volatile there. So and I target, reason why I target this, I look over here. We have some very equal lows here that I was looking at. So I went ahead and target that. And be honest with you, also imbalance here, another imbalance that never got replaced. So when you're looking for a short or a buy or a longs, you want to look for your equal lows, equal highs, and balance. In this case, I was looking for more of an equal lows here, here, and pairing it up with this, and also here. This is not too much of a tick off. This is just a little bit, yeah, not too much of the ticks off there. And we also had imbalance here because I could have just, which technically I was at the end of this imbalance here, that wasn't filled. So from here to here, it wasn't filled in. So this right here, this is like maybe stretching it a little bit, but as you see, price does come and fill in that gap. But your low hanging fruit that you want to get in and out is right there where I have my thing at. But now that I'm going over the trade, now I see that why price did go that way. And but I was really just aiming at, I saw a little bit of this equal here, equal, and this was a little equal here. Not too off, far from, you know, being the same price. So that's the trade of the day. Again, recap. We took out yesterday PM high session, 1:30 to 4 p.m. Okay. Time when we trade from 8:30 to 11:30. This trade didn't get popping until 8:40. Got in. Okay. We got in, let it ride, set your stop loss there, aim at your targets, and voila, we out. So that's a video, short video. I'm gonna start doing short examples like this. Again, go back to the first two videos where I explain the strategy and everything will make sense. But if you know, you know the vibes.